Hello everyone and welcome to day 5. Any commitment at all is an amazing achievement, so well done for sticking to these 5 days of practices, even if it is just for 5 minutes. You've done so well. For our last practice, we'll be focusing on more gentle, restorative asana. So we'll jump right on into our practice. Come to find a comfortable seat, and if cross-legged doesn't work for you on the floor, you might like to explore this first part of our practice in a chair. Make it work for you and just sit up nice and tall. Invite that length in the spine with that soft release in the shoulders. Bringing one hand onto each knee, palms face down. And when you're ready, inhale, open the heart, open the throat, lift the gaze. Exhale, round through the spine, bring chin down towards the chest. Inhale through the nose, open, find space in the front body. Exhale through the nose, roll and round it through. One more time, lift all the way up. This time stay here as the arms reach back like airplane wings. And roll all the way through, palms come towards one another in front. And as we float back to our neutral spine, take a big breath in, open your mouth and sigh it out. If you are in a chair, make your way down to the ground and we'll meet with our left leg extended. Keeping the toes flexed up towards the face, we'll hug our right leg in, foot to the earth. Everybody hug the left arm around the right leg and swim the right fingertips behind us. Lift up nice and tall through the crown of our head. And as we exhale, maybe we find a little more of a twist in the rib cage. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. We'll spend one more breath here. And then as you unravel, send both legs out long, lift up tall, hinge from the hips and fold belly towards the thigh. Now keep as generous a bend in the knees as you'd like to here. This isn't about taking our forehead down to our knees and just crashing into this posture, but rather inviting in the length with this ease and softness. Find one more breath. And then slowly start to walk back up. Keep the right leg active and extended as the left leg hugs up and in. Right arm hugs around, left hand swims behind us. Inhale, lengthen through the crown. Exhale, twisting through the ribs. Take a couple more breaths here. Really notice how it's the thoracic, this middle part of the spine and the rib cage where we're finding our twist from, rather than just hoisting our head, neck and shoulders around. After your third and final exhale, unravel to center, take both legs out, really soft fold forwards. And as we lift back up, bring the soles of the feet together and open the knees out wide. Arriving in our bound angle pose, again trying to resist the temptation to just hold onto the feet and yank ourselves down to the ground. Instead, work with our more honest, natural range of motion. So bringing fingertips down to the earth. Maybe if there's space, we start to crawl forwards, but we're looking not to lose the integrity in our spine. So create this collapse and rounding, and instead keeping this lovely long line from crown to tail. Awesome, really enjoy the breaths that we're taking here. Keep focusing on that exhale in particular to invite in that release to the muscles. And trust that when we are breathing here, we're sending lots of love to any muscular tension, but also if we are holding some emotional tension, which is very common around the hips and the shoulders, that we can also help to release that. So find one more breath here. And then slowly rise up. Again, come to find a seat that's comfortable for you. Sit up tall, and when we arrive there, send the arms out wide and cross the left arm on top of the right. Keep the crisscross in the elbows as we lift the hands up towards one another in our eagle arms. Now, if we lose the crisscross, but just worry about the hands, can we reverse that? Worry about the elbows, and don't worry if the hands don't touch. It's just the intention of bringing them towards one another. So as the shoulders soften, lift the elbows. We'll find a couple breaths here. And then super slow, unravel the arms. Reach them out wide and cross. Right arm on top of the left. Again, crisscross. And then lifting the hands up towards one another. Elbows rise, shoulders soften. Breathe here. Notice how one side might feel different to the other. And just keep on paying attention. And we're finishing our 5 days worth of practices with the same intention that we started with. As we release our arms, just roll our shoulders up and down, round and meet yourself where you are. Find stillness in your seat. Bring one hand on top of the other onto the heart space. And thank yourself for showing up for yourself each day to move, to breathe, to be. Either stay here or bring the palms to Anjali Mudra at the heart. I thank each of you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me. Until next time, namaste.